Hey yo tout le monde, c'est Cole Raoul. Aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour la suite des événements de GTA 4, entre autres l'histoire quoi. On va aller voir Paki.
So the plan was they were gonna hide the diamonds in the queen's ass.
Oh hey Nico.
Hey Kate.
Get your fucking hands off my fucking sister, boy.
We're talking, not having casual sex, Patrick. I pray after the amount of practice you've had, you'd know the difference.
Sure, I know the difference. One leaves you feeling sad and empty and alone, and the other's casual sex.
Then I'm quite sure you and Mr. Nico here will have fun on your play date. Hey! Coming, Ma! You boys play nice now.
For sure.
Hey! Okay!
Oh, we're gonna play real nice. They're clean as a fucking whistle. One previous owner, safely driven, ready for action. We got an opportunity, my boy.
Yep, fortune favors the brave.
Gotta make hay while the sun shines.
So is you down, boy? Or is you out?
Down for what?
Down for robbing a thief.
Robin Hood.
Exactly, Robin fucking Hood.
Who are you going to rob?
The fucking mafia, boy.
Is the money good? What's the risk?
Well, the risk is we all die a very slow and painful death. And the money is good, very good indeed.
So you in, big guy? We're gonna have to kill you.
Well, since you put it that way, I mean.
Right.
Good.
All right.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
let's do this.
Can you get us a car, man? I'm afraid these two idiots
Alors,
shit.
du coup,
Yeah, fuck you.
ouais, il faut une bagnole à 4 places quoi. J'ai fait spawn une bagnole du FBI parce que je sais bien que là-dedans il y a 4 places. On peut déjà y aller, non? Attends, c'est par où? C'est où? C'est où ça?
All right, boys.
Ok.
If Ray is correct, then the money's going to be kept in the office in the main building, and there should be a boat docked out back for the getaway. All right, it's up and over the fence. Don't go too fucking far, Nico.
Ouais. Du moins je vais essayer hein. Hop là en même temps hein. Comme moi les mecs. Voilà c'est ça. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Pourquoi il braque? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Mais frère t'as dit en discret, t'as dit pas de merde et tout, et toi t'es là tu flingues tout. Fuck. C'est de la mafia ça? Enfin je dirais ouais parce que après j'ai envie de te dire tu vas pas avec des flingues sur un chantier quoi. On entre et on prend le fric. Let's go. Pourquoi il passe devant lui? Ok, c'est l'argent ça.
Okay, kids, I got the cash. Shit, looks like we're not the only ones.
Tire-toi de là, de la décharge avec Paki. Oh Paki monte, dépêche-toi. Quoi il veut t'apparaître en bateau ce type? Nage. Oh putain, mais c'est n'importe quoi. Mais Paki, qu'est-ce que tu fous bordel de Dieu? Mais vas-y viens maille-toi. Putain, mais lui c'est vraiment le dernier des abrutis que j'appellerais pour faire un braco.
Did it. Top of the fucking world. Here's your share. Don't go spending it in the Italian restaurants.
I'll see you soon, Packy.
Je fais ce que je veux, grand, ça fait. Si j'ai envie de dépenser mes thunes dans les restaurants italiens et dans les sapes italiennes et dans les armes italiennes, qu'est-ce que tu vas faire?
Nico.
Aye,
So, you fought in the war?
you know a lot.
Yes. You're looking for some people.
We're all looking for that special someone.
But most of us don't want to kill them when we find them.
Most murders are committed by people you know. Most wives are killed by their husbands.
Yes. And my wife had better stop sleeping with that tennis coach or... I'm joking.
I'm sure your wife doesn't need to sleep around. Oh, I'm joking. I'm sure she does.
Funny. I'm divorced. My wife can sleep with whoever she wants.
Interesting.
I'm not divorced. I was never married. No details. I need you to go find someone for me. I'll be getting a picture through shortly. This is important.
So why use me?
We always use people like you. Kara, Michelle, she was the same. Someone with something to lose, but not much to live for.
What's in it for me?
Two things. One, you don't get 100 murders pinned on you. Two, maybe I will help you. Maybe I won't. Now get access to a police computer and wait for my message. Go!
Ton contact va t'envoyer une photo de la cible. Lis le message dès que tu le reçois. Ok, je l'ai reçu. C'est qui lui? Trouve une voiture de flic. D'accord. Accède à l'ordinateur, machin truc. Par photo, j'imagine. Ouais, trouvé. Waouh. Dimyev est là avec ses gardes. Bute-les tous. Mec. Tu dois tous les tuer, mec. Y'a pas d'autre choix, mec. Ta gueule. Attends, il y en a un, il est tombé. Mais qu'est-ce que tu fais? Salut les filles. What the fuck? Ok, et maintenant? Ah, moi je suis Yamakase, moi drère. En costard cravate en plus, t'as vu ça?
Did you serve your purpose?
Yes.
Then you are that much closer to finding the man you are after. That strange feeling deep inside? That's the feeling of satisfaction after you did something good. Congratulations. Goodbye.
Eh merci la zone, t'es un tueur, drère. Putain, toi et moi un jour on va aller se fumer une chicha, toi tu sais même pas. Dust off.
You're late, and please calm down out there.
Excuse me?
I didn't give you a free pass to act like an asshole. You're bringing a lot of heat. Hang out with bad people, doing bad things, making idiot moves.
I'm an idiot. I move.
True, but the last thing I need is you getting caught.
Why? Because I lead them to you in some plea bargain thing?
To me? Who am I? There's 100 guys in this building alone who fit my description. Middle-aged men, paunchy, glasses. You bring them here? What's this? Empty office? Leased to a man who died in the last days of Vietnam? Call me up. My number never existed. No, I'm not too worried about that. I mean, I think you'll end up on a flight deck, but that's your business.
Then what?
Because you're good. Because I need you to keep being good. And you're getting distracted. Funny. Yeah, good. I need someone neutralized. Guy is moving a lot of money for terrorists. Whatever. It doesn't really matter. The guy's gotta go. But I need to know his movements first. How? I've got something that's going to help you. Head over to Albany Avenue in Lansing and give me a call. Go.
Can I get paid for this? Can I get a medal?
Did you get a medal in your last war?
What did you give Michelle? For me?
Michelle, Karen, we gave her her life back. We didn't play too rough. We gave her some money. She still works for us.
What about me?
We'll discuss that later.
Ok. Bah go y aller hein. Trouve un véhicule. Eh ça m'emmerde. Ok. Oh non, il faut suivre un hélicoptère. Oh non, ça j'aime pas. Oh la tête de ma mère, j'en ai rien à foutre. Je zappe cette mission de mes couilles. Non, non, non. J'ai passé le moment où il fallait le suivre. Parce que dans le mode menu en fait j'ai un truc qui me permet de switcher, enfin de passer certains moments des missions. Comme je peux carrément skip la mission, carrément, je peux directement faire mission complète. Et je vais pas le faire. Alors l'hélicoptère s'est éteint, c'est déposé. Et eux ils veulent quoi? Ils cherchent la merde. Voilà. Allez.
Okay then, let's fly this thing.
Vas-y hein. Oh. Vas-y, lâche pas, hein. T'as pas intérêt à lâcher. Si tu lâches, ta mère c'est une pute, ainsi tu sais. Ah bah, sa mère c'est une pute. C'est pas le moment, Roman.
You can hear it, Roman, but I'm in a helicopter. Yes, that is the crazy shit I am having to get up to.
What the
after
fuck?
You introduced me to Michelle, or Karen, or whatever her name really is.
I don't get it. She's a government agent or an undercover cop. What is she?
Shit, I don't know. All I know is that her friends have got me by the balls.
Someone's got me by the balls too, cousin.
Je t'enverrai une photo. Et qu'il est con, lui, il est sérieux, lui. Ah ouais. Là. Voilà.
Thank you. We'll take it from here.
Nickel. Bon alors, maintenant que ça c'est fait, bah qu'est-ce qu'on fait maintenant?
My men have the chopper. They're going to strip it down and put it back together. It should be ready for you when you need it.
Why would I need it?
The guy I told you about. The guy you need to eliminate. The only way you'll get to him is in the air. I'll call you when we have a window. Goodbye.
Ah, en fait le flic il va nous aider à nous rapprocher du mec qu'on recherche, qui nous a trahis pendant la guerre. Ouais mais une fois qu'on a fait tout ça, après il y a quoi? Une rédemption, on est d'accord? Après je dois me faire pardonner et tout bordel. Mais les flics, ils vont vraiment faire en sorte que une fois que tout ce bordel est terminé, ils vont effacer mon casier judiciaire, ils vont tout faire pour que... Ah, pas qui?
Nico, man, look, I ain't a pimp or nothing.
What are you talking about, man?
I'm saying, would you
Emmener ma
take my
sœur
sister
Cathy boire un
Katie
verre ou
out
faire un
for a
tour.
drink or something? She don't get out much and she sure as hell
Elle
don't
sort
go
pas
on
trop au
dates.
niveau rendez-vous,
We're
mais
starting to
c'est
worry.
qu'un plat,
She
on
likes
commence.
you,
Elle
just
t'aime
as
bien,
friends.
tu sais, alors je vais te
I'm
filer
gonna
son
send you a
numéro.
number.
I'll give her a call, man.
Je veux bien
but,
l'appeler,
I
mais
don't
je
think
doute
she'll
qu'elle
wanna see
veuille me
me.
voir.
Trust me, she
Tu
will.
te trompes, crois-moi.
Call her, man.
Appelle-la. Waouh! Un mec qui m'offre sa sœur comme ça? Eh ben, il a vraiment confiance ce mec. Bah c'est gentil. Bah après j'ai envie de te dire, Nico Bellic c'est un mec bien. C'est pas non plus un trou du cul. Bon écoute, on va l'appeler.
Kate, it is Nico. We met with your brother, Packy. He gave me your number.
Hi, Nico. What's up?
I was wondering if you wanted to come out with me sometime. Or maybe we do something together.
Okay, that could be interesting. I don't normally socialize with Packy's gangster friends, but sure, pick me up in the next hour.
See you then.
Ok, d'accord, parfait. Alors les gars, je vais vous apprendre quelque chose. Alors Kate, elle aime bien quand on se sape de façon élégante, comme maintenant. Elle aime bien les voitures, genre la Comète. Ou alors, comment c'est, la Patriote? Ah, la Patriote, c'est ça, ouais. Elle aime bien cette voiture-là. Et la Comète aussi. Donc si jamais vous voulez la draguer à 100%, ben, c'est comme ça qu'il faut faire. Habillez-vous comme ça, de façon classe. Ne portez pas 2 jours d'affilée les mêmes habits. Hein. En fait, il faut s'habiller différemment. Le magasin, c'est Modo. Ah là, ici, c'est celui-là. Donc habillez-vous de façon classe, Modo. Mais changez de tenue tous les 2 jours. Parce qu'elle va pas trop kiffer si vous portez tous les jours la même tenue. Et elle aime bien la Comète et la Patriote, tout simplement, comme voiture. Et ses activités préférées, ce sont les bars, là on boit un verre, et les spectacles. Ok, voilà. Kate, elle est là, voilà. On va voir ce qu'elle va dire.
Come on, you.
Allez, en route! Emmène Kate dans un endroit qui lui plaira. Alors, comme je vous ai dit... Ah, attends.
This car.
Thanks, Kate.
Merci, Kate. Je ne pensais pas que tu faisais attention à ça. Elle aime bien la voiture, elle a dit. Waouh. 50 balles. Oh là là. Oh là, qu'est-ce qu'il fait lui? Ah, j'ai cru là les... Très sympa ce bar. Merde, je suis beau. Voilà. Tenter sa chance peut-être?
So, thanks for a fun time.
Thank you for respecting me. Good night.
Merci de me respecter,
Well,
bonne nuit.
Good night then, Kate.
Et le bisou? Y'a pas de bisou? Elle a kiffé. Ah bah ça tombe bien, je suis à côté. Oh, je devais en plus de ça aller chez Packy en plus. Packy n'est pas là, revient entre 6h et 19h. Bah c'est sympa les gars. Ça se défonce à la coke et après ça menace.
Well, Nico
Wow.
and Dad, here we are.
Oh, c'est un braquage. Oh frère.
Tallied up.
C'est Louise! The Ballad of Ghetto-Ni?
None of you fucking
Oh, merde.
fucks move! Get on the floor!
None of you is gonna get a medal for playing hero. All you're gonna get is a bullet to the heart.
Don't none of you worry about nothing. We're here for the bank's money. It's going to a greater cause.
Shut up and handle the safe!
Open the door.
Open the door!
Open the door!
Open the fucking door! Okay, wait a minute. I got it.
Get on the floor! Now!
But sir...
You too!
Okay.
Hey, yo, I'm a gun club member. I'm gonna take these rookies downtown. Are you with me? Hey, what's your name, son?
Luis, but this ain't such a good idea, bro.
Yeah? They said catching that pass in my high school championship football game was a bad idea, because I broke my leg in 13 places, but I scored a touchdown and won the game. The world was built out of bad ideas, my friend.
Come on.
The PE-4 has been molded and is set to explode in 60 seconds. Now listen, people. We're your friends. Me and me brother here.
Why are you telling them we're brothers, you idiot? That's gonna make it hard for them to find us, isn't it?
I'm trying to be honest with these people. We put them through a lot today.
Fuck these people, fuck your cause. That shit's over. Ireland's not the only thing that's green. Dollars are too.
Now you said bloody Ireland. That's gonna narrow the search, ain't it?
Fuck you! Take the needle out your arm, then tell me what to do.
I'll let you tell me what to do when you stop shoving half of Bolivia up your nose every Saturday night.
Motherfucker! Fuck! We told you not to fuck with us! Shit! Michael! Saint fucking Michael! Fucking shit! Get the money! Me and my brother will watch the kids!
Alors, ne jamais monter sur un braco quand il y a une dispute en cours. Alors il faut faire attention parce que il faut prendre les billets qui sont en dessous car ceux qui sont au-dessus peuvent être tachés d'encre et ne plus être fonctionnels et des fois même ils sont même tracés, ils ont un petit beeper en dessous, c'est une saloperie. Ils sont où les sacs? Ah bah ils les ont ramassés, d'accord, cool. Vas-y, go go go. Putain de merde. Il va l'écraser. Oh non.
Come on, let's do this, people.
C'est rapide, hein.
Move in, move in.
Les portes sont grandes ouvertes. À tout moment passe une tête. On se fait tuer.
Let's handle this peacefully. We have you surrounded.
Got company, people!
Ouais.
Boys, follow my lead and we might...
On fait quoi? On sort? Mais frère, on est mort dans le film alors. Eh ouais, on t'appare pas jusqu'où maintenant les gars? Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Toi t'es là, tu tiens même pas debout, frangin, qu'est-ce que tu fais? T'as pas bas, t'as fou!
We got you. It's over.
Merde.
Ran out of options. Now it's not. Drop it.
They sent a chopper after us. There ain't no getting away. We're done.
Control yourself, Derek. I got a plan.
Look up at the side.
Oh le ralenti!
Let's bring this fucker down.
Mais qu'est-ce que je fais avec une batte de baseball?
We ain't doing that neither. Follow me. We'll lose him in the
Ouais, c'est ça, reste en face de l'hélicoptère pour qu'il tire dessus, t'as raison, poto. Allez. Elvis! Putain, alarme lourde carrément. Allez! À nous tout seuls, on a représenté la guerre mondiale, frère. What the fuck? On t'a pas rebattre maintenant, sous les tunnels, maintenant, allez! On dirait une sortie, ouais, c'est ça, ouais, une sortie, ouais. Une sortie vers l'enfer, ouais. Putain, c'est n'importe quoi. En plus, on n'est même pas éloigné de la banque. Je peux encore entendre la sirène de la banque. À moins que c'est moi qui sois fou, je sais pas. Ça va les drères, tranquille ou quoi? Qu'est-ce qu'il veut le clochard? Vas-y, tape dedans, frère. Voilà, comme ça. Putain.
You're a damn good man.
I wasn't just driving you two. The money was in the car as well. Remember that.
We won't forget it, Nico. Here's your cut.
Oh, 250 000 balles. Putain, c'est énorme. Oh, Seigneur.
Felix,
Oui.
we need you. Now, the chopper is prepped and waiting off Grummer Road in Northwood. Your sometime accomplice Jacob is there.
Okay.
Riding shotgun on this one.
Jacob? The Rasta?
Don't ask unnecessary questions. I want you to take out this guy's chopper. He was last spotted in Varsity Heights. No
Okay.
civilian casualties.
No problem, bon, man. Oh, je me suis téléporté.
Yes, here's my...
Hey, comment est-ce qu'il va? Ça vient d'où? Ok, mec.
Yo, nigga, some serious firepower up in here. Rocket launcher.
Let's find him and get this over with. I don't like being in this man's pocket.
Voilà, c'est ça qu'on veut. Bien joué. Wow. Pas sûr que ça fasse ça un hélicoptère. Hein.
Hey, the fire.
Non.
Good shot, Jacob.
We got some cool shot flying skills in the Nico. Can you jump in and
Je peux me ramener à terre, je me sens moyen jouasse là. Sérieux, ça me file la gerbe ce truc. Ok, pas mal. Ouais, bon, ça c'est fait. Alors, c'est qui le R? C'est pas Ray? Ouais, c'est Ray. Ah putain.
Oh, table for what?
Ah, c'est l'italien.
I'm here for someone. I'm here for Ray.
Oh, Ray, why did you say so? Ray's a beautiful man, you know what I mean? He's in the back.
Thanks.
Hey, Nicky! Ha ha! How you doing, kid?
Fine.
Hey! That Mick bastard friend of yours says you're okay.
Good.
That you're reliable.
Yep.
But can I trust you? Why go through all this? Why stick your neck out? Why do all this work?
Because I need the money. And because I can't do anything else. And because I'm good at it.
Sure.
And because I'm trying to find someone.
Okay, maybe we can help. Let's see how we do. So anyways, I got this friend. Only the friend ain't my friend no more because he ain't getting me the videos.
Okay.
Seems this guy does not respect the waste management business. Lives over in a project on Galveston near you. Name is Teddy Benavides. So what you gotta do? Somebody gets burnt, so be it.
Fine. And you'll pay.
Hey, you kid, I'll pay double.
Good.
But you mess up, bad things are gonna happen.
Il a parlé français, hein. En gros, je veux dire, il a été cash. Let's go. Alors, il m'a envoyé quoi? Gros, il faudra blablabla. Ok, c'est qui? Ok, il a le numéro. Ah, ben c'est le mec là-bas. Hein. Ok. Yo, what's up, motherfucker?
You know what apartment Teddy Benavides is in?
No sé, I don't know no Teddy's.
You sure about that? You want the last thing to come out of your mouth to be a lie?
Shit, man. He's up on the top floor, apartment 151K. You have to walk the last few floors. Elevator don't go up there. They're fixing it up.
Ok, mec. C'est bien, c'est bien, c'est bien. Tu vois quand tu veux. Casse-toi. Putain, il faut se taper l'escalier. Tu te fous de moi, t'es sérieux, frère? S'il te plaît, attends. L'ascenseur.
It's coming up. Don't know how, but he knows where your apartment is.
Yo, comment ça, frère? Hein, t'es sérieux ou quoi? T'es là, tu chicanes, ma gros? T'es sûr de toi, fils de pute? Attends quand je redescends. Attends, toi, tu vas voir, toi. Ah, super. Putain. Waouh, Nico Bellic il a pété les plombs. Ah, ok. Là, c'est la seule porte qui est pas ouverte.
Ah! Fuck!
Too slow, mama.
Attends, Teddy, reviens. Teddy.
What's this about, pendejo?
Teddy.
Bochino a lot of money. You should have paid.
Those putos too old. They're finished, fool.
Oh. Insulter un italien, il faut jamais faire ça, hein. Bon, il est où? Bah, ok, il est plus là. Bon, bah, tant pis, hein.
Ted is dead.
What are you talking about? Hey, who's he? Sorry to hear about your loss. I'll be in touch, Nicky.
Eh, il parle trop mal, lui. Comment il parle aux gens, ce type? Ouais. Taking it the trash. Ok, d'accord.
Hey, Nico.
Ray,
Take a seat.
thank you.
So, you took care of that thing.
Yes.
I appreciate that.
Hey,
Now,
look.
I look after my friends. I got a lot of friends. Important friends. Jimmy Pegarino's a personal friend of mine. More or less. Hey, sweetheart.
Hey,
My God, you look like shit. What's wrong?
nothing. I haven't been to bed yet. I've been smoking crystal.
You big what? What are you, a fucking idiot? You white trash motherfucker, what is wrong with you?
Give me a break, okay? I feel like death.
Hey!
What?
It's because I care. You know that.
Yeah, I know that.
Now, speaking of the ice.
Yeah, they got it. They left it where you said. That's why I came over here. Can I get a goddamn copy
Yeah,
here?
you look like you could really use some goddamn caffeine.
I'm fucking coming down, asshole. I feel like death.
Fine, whatever. Nico, need you to go collect some garbage for me.
Garbage?
Yeah, you wanted a career in waste disposal, now you got one.
Can I get a goddamn copy over here?
What kind of garbage?
Garbage with a lot of ice in it.
Today?
Go over to F between Columbus and Denver. There'll be a truck waiting there. 3 guys. Good guys. Friends of mine. Main guy's name is Luca. Go.
Okay.
Hey, Sugar. Come here. Oh, this'll be over soon.
You gotta stop me smoking this stuff, Ray. I'm fucking killing myself.
Ah ouais, t'empêcher de fumer cette merde. C'est possible, mais tu vas péter des câbles, tu vas dégueuler, tu vas te tordre dans tous les sens. Parce que c'est de la drogue dure.
Luca?
Yeah, you Nico? This is Tuna Fish and Johnny Spaz. Tuna, Johnny, Nico.
Hey.
So, we're all friends now.
All right, Tuna, John Boy, you got the threads. Get in the back and get the trash. Come on, let's go. Nico, here's your gear. You're driving. That cool? Let's roll.
Ok, c'est parti ma biche. Bon, les trous du cul, vous êtes là? Ok, on ramasse les poubelles avec les cailloux seulement, on ramasse pas les ordures.
So someone's been throwing out a load of diamonds?
Oh merde! Ok,
This is it. Grab the bag.
récupère le sac. Ok, voilà la deuxième tournée. Allez, on se dépêche, on ouvre le truc de merde là. Mais en fait, c'est con, ils attendent que ça s'ouvre entièrement alors qu'ils pourraient juste déjà à moitié lancer les sacs. Et ça, c'est un truc qui m'emmerde. Ils sont cons.
looks like we got company.
Crack! Someone's got wise to it.
Putain, bah ouais.
Drive to the fish market. Let's get the ice back. You're done good, Nicky.
Good driving, Nicky. I thought I was gonna be checking out for sure.
How'd they find us? I thought that we went to all this trouble so no one would know.
I don't know. These diamonds are serious. Anyone who heard of them would want them. I ain't surprised we got a bit of attention.
You want me to take the ice to Ray then?
Nah, me and Tony will look after them. Sort them out from the trash. I sure hope we ain't lost any on the route. Things got shaken up pretty good back there.
They sure did, Luca. Here's hoping we can find them all.
See you around, Nicky.
Pourquoi il veut pas que je fasse le rapport à truc? Ça sent pas bon, je sais pas, ces mecs là ils sont bizarres, frère, je sais pas. Déjà les autres comment ils nous ont retrouvés, frère. Déjà juste ça. Je sais pas moi.
Luke and his crew have got the
La
stuff,
bande de
Ray.
cailloux,
It's all in
ils
the
sont dans
back
les
of the
bennes du
truck.
camion.
Will you keep an eye on them? They didn't pull nothing?
I don't know, Ray. You don't trust them? Then weigh the ice. Catch you
Je vous
around.
laisse. Ok, cool.
Yeah, sure, Phil, sure. Hey, Phil. Listen, you know me, and I know you. I didn't mean nothing by it. Hey, take it easy. Oh, Phil, take it easy. Yeah, listen, tell Jimmy I said hello. Okay. I'm sorry. Goodbye. We got a problem.
Who? You and me?
Yeah. I got two options. Option one, you rip me off. Option two, Luca and his buddies ripped us both off.
Hey! I left them with the stuff to bring to you as instructed.
Maybe you're in on it.
Maybe I am. But if you thought that, I wouldn't be standing here right now.
You ain't as dumb as you look. Luca hangs out in Castle Gardens. Go see him, go get my stuff back so everyone can get paid. Now.
Right.
Bah c'était sûr, hein, ils allaient le biter, c'était sûr, c'était des gens bizarres, ça se voyait à leur gueule de putain. Ils ont des gueules de putain. Ils jouent les putains tous les jours, ces gens-là. Rembourser, jamais tu verras un remboursement de leur part. Tu veux trafiquer du diamant, ils vont tout prendre pour eux. C'est tout, ils vont les prendre et partir avec. C'est tout, c'est comme ça, frère. Putain, c'est une bande de salopes, ça se voit. Les gars, ils sont là.
Luca, I need that ice back.
I don't know what you're talking about, Nicky. I gave every one of those diamonds to Ray.
Now, we all know that that's not true.
Fuck you, you cabbage-eating prick. Who says it weren't you that made off with him? That's what I'm telling Ray.
The game's up, boys. We're out of here.
Gars, je te prends ta bagnole. Lâche. Oh putain. Mais regarde, ils ont plein de sang sur la gueule. Tu vas me dire, il est pas mort, lui? Vas-y, chauffe. On les chope, on les tue. Cassez-vous. Où est-ce qu'ils sont, les diamants?
Jesus! Ray ain't gonna give you shit for helping him out.
Allez, ta gueule.
You should have found a better way to live.
T'avais qu'à pas me foutre dans la merde, cousin. T'avais qu'à me mettre au courant de ton plan, ça serait pas arrivé.
I took out Luca's crew, and I got your diamonds.
What do you mean you took them out? I just wanted you to get the ice back. I didn't say nothing to you about killing those boys.
Whatever, they're dead, and I've got the stuff. You want to get your hands on it? Come meet me at the bridge in Middle Park.
Ok, mec. Putain.
Thanks, Nicky. I guess you never know who's gonna stab you in the back, huh?
Thanks for the advice.
C'est carré. Ouais, pas qui?
Nico, I got a favor to ask you.
What is it?
Well, you've been spending time with the rest of my family. I figured you may as well complete the set. You remember my brother Derek? Came along on the bank job?
Sure.
He's in a bad way. Last I heard, he was spending his hours in some park in Acton. Go down and check on him. Me and Gerald will cover any expenses incurred.
All right, man. I'll go find him.
Ok, ouais. Par contre, attends, j'ai reçu un message de l'autre d'Enfer, man. Tu pilotes comme un dieu, faudrait qu'on décolle pour Jamrock. Un de ces jours, ok, One Love. Ah, mais il parle de... D'accord, la mission avec l'hélicoptère, là, que j'ai dû suivre et qu'il a dû buter au lance-roquette. Ouais, ok, mec.
I told you I'm not gonna go. I'm your brother. I'm supposed to take care of my family.
Hey!
I'm beyond being taken care of now.
Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Your brother said you needed a hand. Looks like you'll need more than that.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Oh.
Hey! Wake up, you fucking junkie!
I'm awake. I was just wishing you'd leave. Hey! Hey! Sit down. That's pretty good gear. I'm pretty high.
Good for you.
Okay. Don't get sanctimonious on me.
Okay. Why do you do this to yourself?
Because it feels nice. Because it feels better to be high than not.
Does it stop you thinking?
It stops you caring. Which is even better.
So, what do you care about?
I care about getting people back who claimed I was a grass. People who used that to steal shit off me.
Maybe that's what your brother was talking about. When they said you needed help taking care of all the business.
Sure. I mean, I ain't a saint. I ain't a man of principle. I messed up. But I tried. I made a mistake. But I admitted it.
We all make mistakes.
Exactly! And this guy is still threatening to kill me and my family!
What's his name?
Bucky Sligo.
Bucky Sligo.
I heard he was living in Alderney. Can you get access to police computer?
Sure.
Find the fuck. Shut him and his pals up.
Ok.
On te fait du chantage, mon pote. T'inquiète. Je vais m'en occuper, promis juré. Après, j'ai envie de te dire, j'ai pas trop le choix, tu vois ce que je veux dire. Ok, ouais, nickel, carré, ouais, et après... Ok, ça a été ajouté. Attends, faut que j'y aille. Le burger shot. Ah bah, putain. Le voilà. Mais pourquoi tu mets les sirènes? C'était quoi cette scène? Ça voulait rien dire? Ok, et maintenant qu'il m'a conduit... ok, je dois tous les fumer en fait. Tu seras le premier à mourir. Voilà. Et le dernier il est où? Il est en haut, il s'envoie en l'air, c'est ça? Fais baisser ton indice de recherche, t'inquiète. Et voilà, le tour est joué.
Yeah, baby, I'll be there in a little bit. All right, listen, why don't you wear that pink thing, huh? Yeah, the pink thing with the little feathers on the, yeah. I gotta go. Nico, come on in.
Okay.
Where the fuck have you been?
Sorry, you know how it is.
I know how it is. Yeah, I know how it is sitting around with $2 million worth of stolen ice waiting to get jumped, if that's what you mean, brains. Were you followed?
No. I mean, I don't think so. This town's full of rats, so who knows? What's going on? What's so urgent?
I need you to offload this ice for me.
So what you going to do for me?
What do you mean, what am I gonna do for you? I look after you.
I don't need looking after. I need help finding someone.
I said I got connections. I'll see what I can do.
I'll see what I can do is not good enough. I want your word that you'll find him.
Hey, I said I'll look after you.
You know what? It's cool. Get someone else. I'll see you later.
Oh, whoa. Are you fucking kidding me?
No! I keep doing these favors for you, and you pay shit. I need this from you. A guarantee that you will find this man. I know he's in the city. So either you give me your word or go fuck yourself. I'm sick of this shit.
Fine, you got it. You want my word? You got my word.
Good.
Who is he?
Florian Kravich.
Florian fucking Kravich?
That's right!
Okay. you have my word. In the meantime, head over to the Libertonian. They're gonna meet that guy named Johnny, and the two of you are gonna exchange the diamonds with a guy named Isaac. Then, you give Johnny half the money, the rest you bring back to me.
What's he doing there?
He's waiting to get paid. It'll be good. Keep things on a level. People always behave better with company.
Sure. Much better getting shot by two guys than one. Is this the merchandise?
No, it's my lunch.
Funny.
Eh ben putain. Là je peux te dire que Nico Bellic s'est fait entendre. Hein. Maintenant... ouais, Johnny.
Hey, all right, man. How's it going?
Hey, good to see you again.
Yeah, likewise. Let's hope this goes a little better than before, yeah? Come on, let's get inside.
Gentlemen, gentlemen, pardon the precautions. You know how things are.
No problem.
Let's do this!
Okay, let's see the stuff, gentlemen. Maury, come over here.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Since we're having a little show and tell, let's see some money.
Of course, no problem. There it is. Beautiful, huh? Unmarked bills. No history, no need to launder.
Good. Nico, show him the stuff.
Get in there, Maury.
Isaac, look at them.
Gorgeous, huh? Like condensed money.
Isaac, these are great.
Oh! Rest of you motherfuckers wanna die? Do something stupid, okay? Fuck you! Just get the shit, man! Come on!
Mais merde, Louise, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Pourquoi t'es là? Qu'est-ce que tu fais là, mon grand? Y'a plus personne de vivant, j'espère, parce que merde, hein. Et c'est qui, eux? Merde! Ok, ouais. Ok, c'est bon, j'ai tué tout le monde, putain de merde.
The
Oh,
deal
wesh.
didn't go so good, Ray. Johnny's got the cash. I don't know who has the diamonds.
Shit! That biker piece of crap better not be pulling nothing. Come back and see me.
Bah, Johnny, je pense pas qu'il va trahir. Je pense vraiment pas qu'il va trahir parce que ça a pas l'air d'être un beater, ce mec.
Sure this
I'm
guy's
telling
alright?
you, the guy's
You
good.
checked him out?
Hey, here he is right here. Phil Nico. Nico Phil.
So you're the guy who got jumped for a couple of million?
Yeah, you gonna pop me for it?
No, I've heard good things. Some odd friends, but you know, what are you gonna do?
You're right. I've been keeping bad company.
Oh, you mean this guy? He's okay. Well, he pays up, and he ain't gone states yet.
Very funny, ha ha.
Listen, we got a lot of missing money, and we got a problem with these fucking bikers.
And I've got the problem finding someone.
Yeah, I nearly got something on that.
So we sent some of our boys after the money. Maybe you can deal with the bikers. Calm them down. They're causing trouble on the corner of Bauxite and Exeter.
Sure.
Otherwise, you and Raymond here got a serious problem. The boss has got to get paid. Even when people forget to tell them about things they're working on.
Don't bust my balls. What's the point of talking about things unless they become real?
I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm sure you're sure, Phil. You of all people.
Now what the hell does that mean?
Nothing. I mean, come on. You're a guy who knows what's what, right, Phil? Take it easy.
Mais j'ai que ça à faire. Allez hop. Il se passe quoi maintenant?
You took something that belonged to my employers.
Shit! That's the cocksucker that Johnny ripped off for the diamond loot. Hey, why don't we see if he can keep up with some real American bikers? Hey, let's do this!
Donc Johnny m'a bité. Johnny m'a entubé, frère. Poursuit et descend les bikers. Ouais, d'accord. Ok, c'est bon. J'ai flingué ces fils de pute.
I got rid of those bikers for you. Johnny wasn't there, though.
The other guy's meant to be taking care of him. Don't worry about it, Nicky.
Ok, parfait, mais j'espère que tu vas pas m'entuber toi non plus, grand, hein, parce que putain, moi je te le dis, là, ça commence à bien faire.
You listen to me, Isaac. Listen, Dick. It's not my fault you got robbed. Not my fault. I had nothing to do with it. Nothing. You understand? I'm on a cell phone, you jerk. Oh, you want me killed? Oh, yeah? Screw you! I'm done with you. You understand? I'm finished. No, you know what? I ain't even started yet, you thieving fuck! I'm in shit because of you, you piece of sh... Hello? Hello? Go ahead! Open your mouth, asshole! Push your fucking luck!
Ray,
The fuck do you want?
you told me to come.
Well, sorry. Having a bad fucking day.
Oh, sorry.
Me too. Fuck it. Fuck it. That curly head leech is gonna talk! Go shut that stooge up!
Shut who up?
Isaac, the diamond dealer. Blaming me for everything. Everything! Even the shit we didn't do. Now I got no money, no diamonds, and his dick's threatening to have me killed. Blaming me because he got robbed.
Okay, so?
He's holed up in the Majestic with a couple of his cronies. Go shut those fuckers up.
No problem.
Hey, can I get a coffee, please?
Pas de soucis, mon pote, c'est comme si c'était fait. Et maintenant? Ok, un ascenseur, ouais. Enfin! Wesh bien, drrr, ça va ou quoi? Je suis l'invité spécial, je suis VIP.
This is called loitering with intent. Get
Bon,
lost.
écoute.
Security Sorry.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Putain, la suite de bâtards!
No fucking way out of this now, you stupid.
Hello?
You should not have fucked with me.
Ah, elle a rien demandé, du coup je la tue pas. Comment j'accède à la suite? Ah là. Barre-toi de l'hôtel. Pas de soucis. Voilà. Oh là, ça a buggy sa mère.
I shut Isaac up for you. I feel like all
Okay,
I've been doing is
maintenant.
shutting people up ever since this diamond thing started.
Well, we ain't got the diamonds, and we don't know where they are. Johnny, that biker scumbag, has disappeared with the money. And every other mouth that came close to those diamonds is closed for good. Except for yours, that is. You gotta be grateful for that.
Screw you, Ray. I ain't your cleanup guy no more. You get that?
All right, Nicky, all right. Don't go forgetting about respect or nothing. You're still just another straight off the boat punk.
T'es encore un immigrant,
It's
ouais, bah.
scary if you don't got friends. You remember that.
Bon, écoutez les gens, voilà, c'est la fin de la vidéo. J'espère qu'elle vous aura plu. On va s'arrêter ici, hein. J'espère qu'elle vous aura plu. N'hésitez pas à lâcher un pouce bleu et à vous abonner. Sur ce, moi je vous dis à la prochaine pour la suite ou pour un prochain Custom Map Zombie. Ciao tout le monde, à bientôt.